Under the cover of darkness, Ukraine's audacious jet ski operation revealed. In a covert operation, Ukrainian frogmen approached Crimea's coast on jet skis under the cover of darkness. These were the first Ukrainian troops to land in Crimea in almost a decade, traveling a daunting distance over sea. The mission was meticulously planned, with every gram of equipment considered. Despite its audacity, the plan was green-lighted. About 50 British special forces were reportedly present in Ukraine, advising and training on Western weapons systems. The goal of the operation was to raise the Ukrainian flag in Crimea, sending a clear message to Russia about Ukraine's capabilities. The date of operation was set on Ukraine's Independence Day, August 24. Despite the heavy fortification by Russians in Crimea, including airbases, mines, drones, and infrared cameras, the operation proceeded. The team targeted an electronic warfare station interfering with Ukrainian drone strikes and missile operations. Due to unforeseen encounters with Russian forces, the plan had to be adapted on the spot. After successfully engaging their targets, they had to escape Russian warplanes and naval vehicles, leading to intense confrontations. All team members returned safely, attributing their survival in the operation's success to a combination of planning, skills, and divine intervention. Following this successful operation, Ukraine was able to make more strategic strikes in Crimea. Missile attacks successfully targeted significant Russian assets, including submarines and headquarters. The Kremlin responded by airing videos of apparently targeted officials and accusing Britain of assisting Ukraine in planning the attacks. Levan, the Ukrainian commander, expressed gratitude to Western partners and hinted at more significant operations in the future. That's it for today. To stay up to date on AI plus drones plus military, don't forget to subscribe.